While Substack is a free and simple newsletter tool, it has many flaws. Growing is hard, customization sucks, SEO is bad, and there's no email automation. And a good newsletter tool must have some form of email automation that lets you create email sequences to engage with your subscribers or help sell your products. If you feel that these Substack limitations are getting in your way, it's time to move on to a different tool. And in this video, you will see Substack alternatives that address these problems and also don't charge outrageous fees like Substack does for paid memberships. Let's start with the best Substack alternative. Beehiiv has exploded in popularity because it fixed everything wrong with Substack, and I mean everything. Comparing Substack to Beehiiv is like comparing a paper plane to an F-15 jet. If you want to make money, Beehiiv is just better. By using Beehiiv, you can access the ad network, which brings advertisement opportunities for your newsletter, including from big companies like Nike and Netflix, without you having to talk with these companies or do the heavy work. Beehiiv also allows paid memberships where you charge subscribers to access exclusive content. The difference is that Beehiiv doesn't take 10% of your revenue like Substack does. Also, are you familiar with Substack's recommendation system, which allows you to refer readers to other newsletters? Well, with Beehiiv Boosts, you can earn money for each referral you make, giving you another monetization option. But there's more. Beehiiv also gives you powerful tools like integrations and email automation, which makes Substack look like a tool from the past. Email automation could help create welcome series for new subscribers or help promote your services and products without manual work. Beehiiv also gives you control over how your newsletter looks. While Substack forces you into their cookie-cutter design that screams, "I use Substack," Beehiiv lets you create a unique style. You can customize almost everything on your Beehiiv site and newsletter design by just clicking a couple of buttons. Beehiiv is also better than Substack in terms of SEO. And Beehiiv also has a generous free plan for people that are getting started. For all those reasons, I say that Beehiiv is everything that Substack should have been. Use my link in the description to sign up for Beehiiv today. Ghost is another great option for creators looking to move beyond Substack's limitations to create a proper website. Ghost is a blogging tool with newsletter capabilities like Substack, but the similarities stop there as they operate in very different ways. First, thanks to Ghost's good SEO, your site can perform well in search engines, making it easier for readers to discover your content organically. Unlike Substack, Ghost sites can attract new readers without relying only on recommendations or social media. In terms of monetization, Ghost also allows paid memberships, but with one key difference. Ghost doesn't charge a percentage of your revenue. This means that if you have more than 100 paying subscribers, Ghost is likely to be the cheaper option. And when you consider that Substack keeps 10% of your revenue, the difference becomes massive the more you grow. As for customization, Ghost also has the advantage. You can fully customize your theme to match your brand style, something that's impossible with Substack. There's a wide variety of themes available to buy for Ghost, including news sites, personal blogs, and everything in between. Ghost even lets you create a custom theme if you know how to code, or you can pay someone to create a theme for you. Ghost also allows integrations with other tools, which helps overcome the lack of email automation, for example. The biggest downside of Ghost is that they don't have a free plan, but as I said, Ghost is likely to be the cheaper option in many cases if you have paid subscribers. If you're ready to stop being held back by Substack, open your Ghost account with my link below. Kit, formerly known as ConvertKit, is an OG in the newsletter space and is the right option for creators that only want a great newsletter tool because they already have a website or don't need one at all. This is good for creators that only publish on social media, for example. In terms of monetization, Kit is light years ahead of Substack. Kit's sponsor network connects creators with advertisers, handling everything from finding companies to managing payments. This removes the hassle of chasing sponsors and collecting fees, letting you focus on creating the content. Kit also has paid memberships, but with much lower fees than Substack, and a paid recommendation system where you can earn money by referring readers to other newsletters. Kit's customization is also great. Unlike Substack, Kit has pretty templates and design flexibility, which lets you express your brand identity. You can even buy a template from the store if you prefer to do this instead of creating one yourself. However, one of the best reasons to use Kit is the email automations. Kit is one of the best tools when it comes to automation, and the platform has plenty of segmentation options and triggers. Kit also has automation templates that can save time or give you ideas about how to use these to interact with your subscribers. Link in the description to create your Kit account. Podia is another solid alternative to Substack. It started as a community tool but evolved into an all-in-one platform where creators can build their website, run the newsletter, and even manage a community. Podia outshines Substack when it comes to monetization options. While Substack limits you to paid newsletter but charges high fees, Podia lets you make money by selling digital courses, digital downloads, and memberships without charging transaction fees on your earnings. Podia also addresses the frustrating lack of email automation on Substack, so you can create welcome sequences or promote products. Podia also integrates with Zapier and other popular tools. On top of all that, you can break free from Substack's rigid design. Thanks to Podia's drag-and-drop website builder, you can customize the site with ease. Substack feels basic for serious creators, and this is where Flodesk comes to the rescue. This tool is best suited for creators wanting to build a profitable business through digital products. Flodesk lets creators sell digital items from downloadable content to coaching services, all without taking a cut from your sales. The platform is also packed with advanced features that are missing on Substack. Flodesk has email automations and integrations with popular platforms like Instagram and Shopify, as well as checkout pages with upsell capabilities. Flodesk also brings a fresh approach to newsletter pricing. The platform has a simple pricing structure with a free plan including basic features and a paid plan that charges a flat rate regardless of your subscriber count. And regarding customization, newsletters on Flodesk look great. Their email templates have the perfect mix of professional and aesthetically pleasing designs. On the downside, Flodesk doesn't have website/blogging capabilities or paid memberships like Substack. If you're looking for a simple newsletter tool with paid memberships, Buttondown is also a Substack alternative. Buttondown has an old-school vibe, and I say this as a compliment for how clean it looks. This tool focuses on simplicity without sacrificing the advanced features creators want, like email automation and integrations. Buttondown also lets you run paid memberships, and it doesn't take a cut like Substack. And I like that Buttondown even allows a pay-what-you-like pricing model, giving subscribers the freedom to choose how much they want to pay for your newsletter. Where Buttondown loses to Substack is in community features, and the website/blogging capabilities are very basic. If you're ready to break free from Substack's limitations, you can find all the links in the description. If you need help, send me a message. Thanks for watching.